Happy morning, everyone. A very very warm welcome to all of you. और आज हमारा 18th day है मैजिक बुक जर्नी का. Today is
Good morning.
happy morning.
Happy morning, ma'am.
Happy morning. Yes,
Happy morning.
lovely morning. Happy morning. So our today's chapter is the magical to-do list. And we are going to discover our magical to-do list today. And we're going to start working on it. So who all did yesterday's assignment and what was your experience? And did you experience any other magics? Anybody wants to share anything? You can unmute yourselves and share. You can put your name and start sharing.
So I had lots of when you asked me, no, the thing, the money magic. I meant there's lots of things came my way yesterday.
Lovely.
Some free, some in the form of money, some like that. 2, 3 free, gifts and like I got a long distance taxi lift. I'd gone to South Bombay. That's why I didn't attend yesterday morning. I was at somebody else's house, my cousin.
Okay.
So then, I mean, it just kept coming. What I meant.
I got it. When you didn't say anything else, I thought that, Uma is going to come with a lot of magics today.
Yes. Yeah. Maybe I put it phrased it not so well. Money magic happened something.
Yeah. And you made your check or you visualize the same check?
I had the same check. I think a part of it is already, part of it went for that car, So there's a little left, but so I'm thinking whether to make a new check or to continue with the old.
No, so it's nice to think that way that a part of it went in the car, but whatever amount you have written, the magic check is
Yes.
that you receive the same amount.
Oh, so I have to change it.
No, so don't change. Let that check be there only. Who knows now? There is no scarcity in the universe. We have, our thought process, our belief is that we feel, we become so modest ki a part of it has already come. It's not that. It will be like that the motion has started. You can say that way, that the movement has started. You've set the ball into motion, but this amount what you have filled in is a magical amount which you will receive the same amount. Yeah, so have that firm belief and conviction and faith you will get. I mean, it is you have got the same amount.
And then I woke up again at 12 to hold it. 10 to 12 I woke up.
Awesome. Nice.
I couldn't stay up, but I woke up.
That's nice. So that's that's a beautiful space where you can, when you are in that in between sleep state, that is the space where you are in your deeper layers of your subconscious mind. And that is the time you can manifest. जो उस समय हम we are in that अवचेतन अवस्था, जिसमें you are aligned with the alignment of the universe. You're aligned with the universe, the vibrations of the universe. And it's so beautiful that many of us who have done some kind of healing, we know that our astral body travels when we sleep. So what happens? Why is this this mechanism of the body is such that we sleep in the night? So many things happen in the night, especially our astral body. It travels and it goes, so a part of us moves out of the body, and that's how we get recharged. So yes, please mute yourselves, everyone. There's a lot of sound coming. Anybody else has? Thank you, Uma. Thank you so much for sharing. Thank you so much. Yes, and today is a really, really beautiful and powerful chapter. the magical to-do list. Lots and lots of things to learn from this chapter. Every chapter is having lots of learnings. Okay, so today, before we start reading the chapter, my invitation to all of you is that if you can have your journal and a pen to write with you, so that you can make, I'll be telling you to make notes of some things in between, so you can make a note of it. Lovely. Anybody else has any sharings? I'm quite surprised that today is day 18th. We are in the third week of our magic book journey. Of course, there are some who joined in between, but still they were experiencing some magics. Any other magics in your life, please share before we start reading today's chapter. Because the more and more you share, the more and more magics will come in your life. Remember, whatever you give, it comes back to you. So sharing is also giving what you have experienced. You don't know how you can motivate with your sharing. How you can, you're giving to the participants in this group. You're giving to the universe. You're giving in the universe. You're giving those vibrations in the universe, and it will come back to you. So please share. Don't keep it to yourself. I'm sure you must have experienced some magics in your life. And what happened when you wrote the check yesterday? How were you feeling? किन किन लोगों ने अपनी मैजिक चेक बनाई कल या पहले से जो बनाई उसे और पावरफुली विजुअलाइज किया, उसे और पावरफुली फील किया? ओके, एंड किन या सॉरी यस यस
हाँ, वो जो हमने लास्ट टाइम जो चेक बना था वो ही हमने मतलब कंटिन्यूस रेगुलर बेसिस पे उस पे हम काम कर रहे हैं और विशेष ऐसे ही फील कर रहे हैं कि हमने जो अमाउंट लिखी वो हमको मिल चुकी है और वो विजुअलाइजेशन को कंटिन्यूस मेरा चालू ही है.
ओके,
अभी मॉर्निंग में भी मैंने वो विजुअलाइजेशन किया और चेक मैंने 2 लिखे हैं, दोनों को हाथ में लेके 1 बाय 1 वो फिगर मेरे पास ऑलरेडी आ चुकी है. इस तरह का मैंने फील किया और हैप्पी फील किया.
एंड वो बाकी जो 2 क्वेश्चंस थे, वो 3 क्वेश्चंस वो आपने पूछा अपने आप को, उसके बेसिस पे डिड यू विजुअलाइज? डू यू रिमेम्बर दोस 3 क्वेश्चंस व्हेन वी हैड टू मैनिफेस्ट एनीथिंग?
यस, आई हैव.
हाँ, तो आप बताएंगे हिना जी, व्हाट आर दोस 3?
हाँ, वो फर्स्ट वो अमाउंट मुझे मिल गई है. फिर उसकी वो मैंने मेरे हस्बैंड और मेरे फैमिली के साथ मैंने शेयर किया कि इतना हमें मिल गया और इससे मैंने ये किया, ये कहाँ मैंने उसको यूटिलाइज किया, कैसे हैप्पीनेस फील की इससे.
यस, सो फर्स्ट आपने लिखा यू आर गोइंग टू फील इट और सेकंड इज दैट आपने जब आपको वो मिला तो नहीं, पहले सेकंड इज दैट आप क्या करोगे जब ये मनी मिलेगा, तो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो दैट दिस पार्ट इज really you have to feel it deeply and be specific. ऐसा नहीं कि मैं vaguely don't. You have to give a reason for why, how you are going to use this money, and then आप किसको phone करोगे, किसको, when you receive the money, whom will you say first? Either you'll call or you'll meet that person. जैसे आपने बोला कि आपने family members को बता रहे हो. So yeah, so these are the steps of visualization, and there are so till now the book has told us only these 3 steps and we are doing it. But when we do the manifestation and the law of attraction, when we attend that workshop, which will be just I'll announce it soon after we complete this magic book journey, then the power of visualization will really intensify. बहुत deeply हम visualize कर सकेंगे, detail में visualize कर सकेंगे. So who all in the call, you know, आपको visualization करने में थोड़ी मुश्किल हो रही है? Who all are there on the call? जो लोग visualize नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, imagine नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. Anybody? और यू फील कि इवन आप कर पा रहे हो लेकिन इतना डीपली नहीं हो पा रहा है. एनीबडी ऑन द कॉल?
वरना जी आज मैंने हर सुबह उठती हूँ उससे मैं आधा घंटा पहले उठ गई थी, क्योंकि कल हम आपसे भी आपने भी कहा था कि आज की रात उसका वाइब्रेशंस कुछ और होगा, ज़्यादा होगा. तो फिर मैंने सबसे पहले तो हमारे जो प्रेयर है वो की, फिर मैंने शिव जी का जो तांडव स्तोत्रम है ना वो मैंने सुना, और लिटरली उसको मैंने घर में सब सो रहे थे, नहीं तो मैं वो घर में कर ही लेती इतना. फिर मैंने विजुलाइज करके अपने आप में वो तांडव मैंने किया, और तो इतना हाई लेवल पे मैं पहुंच गई थी. तभी मैंने ये विजुअलाइजेशन स्टार्ट कर दिया, मेडिटेशन, और वो चेक और बाकी सो भी मेरा ड्रीम लिस्ट है उसको. तो इतना ऑसम अब फील कर रही हूँ कि जैसे मुझे मिल गया जो मैंने लिखा था, जो मैंने सोचा था वो सब मुझे मिल गया. तो कई बार ये ऐसे म्यूजिक, ऐसे मंत्र की भी इफेक्ट होती है.
ऑब्वियसली रियली इट डज, एकदम होती है. उनकी जो वाइब्रेशंस, एवरी वर्ड की वाइब्रेशंस होती है. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी से ना द मंत्रस रियली हैव टू बी चांटेड वेल. उसका प्रोनाउंसिएशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. और आपने जो तांडव करने की इच्छा हुई आपको, यू कुडंट डू इट, सो प्लीज गो अहेड, आज कर लीजिएगा आप. टाइम ड्यूरिंग द डे प्लीज डू इट. यू विल बी इन अ डिफरेंट स्पेस ऑल टुगेदर. कल भी कर सकते हैं.
Please share your Tandav whatever video, not maybe you doing it, the one which you get from YouTube.
हाँ.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah. So lovely. Thank you, Hina ji, for sharing. And if you if you want to share, आप या तो अच्छा, you shared when everybody takes the sharing, then we'll see what to do. Yeah. Okay. आप ग्रुप में ही शेयर कर दीजिएगा.
हाँ. तो वो अभी जो हमने मेडिटेशन किया था ना, वो शायद व्रत ने शेयर किया है टेलीग्राम में, और वो तांडव स्तोत्रम में अभी शेयर कर दूंगी.
Okay. Lovely. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes, anybody else? So we start reading today's chapter. Everybody is there with a writing material. सबके पास है, अपनी जर्नल ले ली है जिसमें आपने ड्रीम लिस्ट लिखी है.
Yes.
Lovely. So yes, the magical to-do list, day 18. Let's look at the picture. Who's going to read today? Uma, would you like to read?
Yes.
Lovely. So yes, let's look at the picture and start speaking. Let's decode this picture. What are we seeing?
Balloons.
Yes.
Balloons.
Yes. What else?
Balloons and sparkles, the magic, those little stars, magical stars.
Yeah. So what does it signify? There is darkness all around. Think out of the box now. Now we are in the third week.
This balloon like our dream, and
let's go your dreams in the air.
Let go the dreams in the air.
Yes.
Okay.
और वो बलून की तरह इतने लाइट होके यूनिवर्स में जा रहे हैं, तो वहां से वो जो
Go
magic
and get it.
sparkle हुई है.
Sorry,
It's
sorry.
like go and get it.
लाइट होके
Grab-
यूनिवर्स
grab.
में जा रहे हैं तो
हाँ, get the मतलब grab the opportunities.
grab the opportunities. Okay, okay.
Oh, and they're rising. They're rising.
They're rising, yes. So when something rises, how does it rise?
When maybe it's done or something.
It's done. How is it done?
When you are happy.
When you let go of something and they're rising up. Could be
Yes.
like that.
Yes. And when you are happy, who said this?
Yeah. Yes.
Teacher.
Your
Ma'am-
emotions rise when you're happy.
Yes. Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, when I was very young, in a teenage,
Huh?
I used to write on balloon. I used to
Wow.
buy balloons every second, third day of my life.
Huh?
And then I used to write with ball pen on balloon,
Okay.
anything, what I wanted or what I feel. And I used to let it go up in the sky.
Wow. Awesome. So you were actually writing your dreams. And
Yeah.
then what happened? क्या होता था उसके बाद में?
I don't know. That time I didn't observe, but
Okay.
I like that.
Okay.
On
Lovely.
my birthday, I used to buy lots of balloons and I used to share to the small little kids. I mean, I like balloon very much.
Okay. So wow, this chapter is for you. Awesome.
Thank you.
So there are 3 balloons. So there are 3 balloons, and throughout this chapter, we have been saying thank you, thank you, thank you 3 times. So what is it? It's the power of gratitude. And what I felt is that with the power, so nobody mentioned gratitude. This whole book is about that, right? When we use the power of gratitude, we step into the world of magic and manifest all our dreams. And we actually become lighter when we are grateful, when we are joyful, when we are happier. So how this balloon is rising is, कोई normal balloon को अगर आप you just blow air in a balloon, it will not rise so high in the sky. वो थोड़ा उड़ेगा room में ही, and then it will come down or it will settle on the floor. बट अगर उसमें हीलियम गैस डलता है तब वो ऊपर लाइट हो जाता है और वो उड़ना शुरू हो जाता है. So in our body and mind, when we feel the power of gratitude, when we feel the energy of gratitude, when we feel the feeling of gratitude, then we become lighter. And then actually, there are days now when we feel so light. We have been feeling that. Wow, I'm feeling so happy. Everyone is saying that now. I'm feeling so happy.
So happy.
I'm feeling so light. I'm feeling so joyful. जो भी कर रहे हैं happiness के साथ करें. So this is the feeling of, this is the effect of being grateful. So जैसे कि एक balloon helium gas डालने से light हो जाता है, ऊपर उड़ने लग जाता है, it becomes magical and it reaches the outer space. कहाँ जाता है हमें नहीं दिखता है. मतलब हम जितना देख सकते हैं उतना दिखता है, उसके बाद कहीं पे disappear हो जाता है. It goes and merges with the divine consciousness. So like that, when we are grateful, our dreams, we align with the alignment of the universe. We align with the universe, with the vibrations of the universe. And then our dreams actually start, we fly with our dreams and we are in a position to manifest our dreams. And we attract, we become a magnet. In that state, whatever we do, we attract and make true in our lives. This is what this picture is telling us. एक इतना सा picture में कितनी सारी बातें छुपी हुई है. It's like a riddle. And always, that with the power of gratitude, see, there's darkness and only the balloon is lit up. And there is magic. And there is this magical list, which is, a dream list, which is attached to the strings of the balloon. So, if there is any problem in our life, so that is what we see as a problem is just the appearance of things in our life. but the truth is hidden behind. So every problem comes with a solution. Has anybody experienced this? कि कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आता है तो सोल्यूशन पहले ही आ जाता है लाइफ में, and then you experience afterwards, wow, I have the solution already.
Yes, many times.
Lovely. And this has happened with me every single time. You know, before anything comes, I would be guided. You know, any major things happen in my life, and that time maybe initially I'll be disturbed, but then I know. Then when I look back, when I step back and look at the bigger picture, I see the solution right in front of me, whether in the form of a person or that object from where I would find the solution that is already there. Or I would, you know, randomly go and pick up a book and the solution is there in the book and I've already started doing it. So this is how life unfolds when you are in the space of gratitude. Okay. So
वंदना जी पीछे से आवाज बहुत आ रही है किसी का.
I think it's Uma name. Uma, is that you? Because you want
Yeah,
to.
mine is on because I'm
Yeah.
going to read.
Yes, yes. So yeah. So yes, now we can start.
But though there is no noise nearby, but it must be just the phone.
Yeah, it's the phone. It's the phone.
Okay.
It's your phone. Yeah. So yes, Uma, you can start reading today's chapter. So everyone understood. Now you can look into your own lives after we have discussed the picture.
The world is full of magical things waiting for our wits to grow sharper, by Eden Philpott, 1862 to 1960, novelist and poet.
Yes, so Buddhi, the world is full of magics. ये पूरी दुनिया magic किस, you know, there is lots and lots of jadoo in this world, which is waiting for our wits to grow sharper. मतलब हमारी बुद्धि को पैने होने का वो इंतजार कर रही है. World of magic, the magical world. कुछ लोगों ने शायद ये you know what these lines are telling us कि हमने शायद कुछ मैजिक्स अपनी लाइफ में देखना शुरू कर दिया है, and all of us who are there on the call, but अभी भी it's not the end of it. मैजिक की वर्ल्ड में there is no end. There are every day there are new magics which are waiting for you to grow sharper. And what is the meaning of wits? Can anybody look into the dictionary? I actually found a beautiful, you know, understanding of the word wit yesterday. So what is the meaning of the word wit? Anybody? Can you also look in the dictionary? Wit का क्या मतलब होता है? We know being witty.
The capacity for inventive thought and quick understanding.
Okay, inventive thought and quick understanding. Okay. Or
A natural aptitude for using words and ideas in a quick and intentive way to create humor.
yes, to create humor. Okay.
The ability to think quickly and make good decisions.
Ability to think quickly and make good decisions. Yes. So humor.
Natural talent for using words and ideas in a quick, amusing way.
Yes. Quick, amusing way. Natural talent of using ideas and, you know, feelings in a quick and amusing way. Yes. What else? Okay, so the world is full of magical things waiting for our wits to grow sharper. So when yesterday I just kept on looking in different places, and when I saw this was an old English understanding, matlab, since it's written in 1862, between, you know, it was, it's assumed that maybe in the 1800s or 1900s, this quote was written by this novelist and poet. So when we go to the old English understanding of this word, wits, you know, being witty is something else, but wits is something else. So wits is understanding, intellect, knowledge, or consciousness. matlab ki, now let's apply this meaning to this line, that when we understand the meaning of, that how is the world full of magical things. In the world of magic, there is there is a divine consciousness. We are actually close to that divine consciousness when we are in the world of magic, and when we are close to our divine consciousness, matlab we ourselves, so remember that line, I was the creator once, let me become what I was. So it is, you are being more closer to yourself, wits to grow sharper. And when you are, when you experience the closeness with yourself, S in capital letters, then your everything around you becomes sharper. Matlab you align with the alignment of the universe. Your vibrations increase, your power increases, your everything increases. You are at a higher frequency level, and that is the place where you will be able to manifest anything what you feel, anything what you think, anything what you speak. So now let's be aware of whatever we speak, whatever we feel, whatever we think from today onwards. Yes, please continue reading.
Really, when you think about it, gratitude is your best friend. It is always there for you, always available to help you. It will never fail you or let you down. And the more heavily you lean on it, the more it will do for you, and the more it will enrich your life. Today's magical practice will show you how to lean on gratitude even more, so it can be far more magical, it can do far more magical things for you.
Yes, so gratitude is your true friend. Does everyone agree with this? Yes, no? Who is a true friend? सच्चा मित्र की क्या विशेषताएं होती है? That friend is always there with you whenever you want. They are your true friend whenever you want them to be there with you, whenever you want to talk to them, whenever you want to be with them, or anytime when you talk to them, you just open up your heart to them. So we have now many people like this in our lives. Yes, no? Or few
Yes.
people in our lives?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
So gratitude, now we have a true friend who is gratitude. Gratitude is your best friend. कृतज्ञता आपकी बिल्कुल सच्ची साथी है. And सच्चे मित्र की यही विशेषता होती है ना, कि that person is always there, always available, never will let you down, will always guide you. And this book, this chapter promises that the more heavily you lean on it, the more it will do for you. There's lots and lots of disturbance today. Uma?
Okay, I'll. Someone else, should I read or should
No, you read, but can you figure out why the disturbance is there? Now it's not there.
the fan? I muted it, no?
Oh, you muted it. Okay. It could be the fan. Yeah, you're right. It could be the fan. Yes. So today's magical practice will show you how to lean on gratitude even more, so that it can be far more magical things for you. So are we all ready to just experience this power of gratitude more than ever? Yes, no?
Yes.
Are we all ready? And let's be attentive. Just sit straight. If your videos are not on, you can put your videos on so that we can see you, and you will be able to be more attentive. Yes, please continue. Uma, you can read.
Every day there are little life problems that come up and need solving. Sometimes we can feel overwhelmed if we don't know how to solve a situation. Maybe your problem is that you don't have enough time for all the things you need to do, and you are at a loss because there are only 24 hours in a day. It may be that you feel overwhelmed from work and you want more free time, but you can't see any way to have it. You may be at home taking care of the children and you feel frazzled or exhausted, but you don't have the means to get support to give you time out. You may be faced with a problem that needs fixing, but you have no idea which way to turn to fix it. You may have lost something and tried your best to locate it, but had no luck. Or you might want to find something like the perfect pet, perfect babysitter, great hairdresser, or amazing dentist or doctor. And despite your best efforts, you haven't been able to find what you need. You could be in an uncomfortable situation because of something a person has asked you to do, and you don't know how to respond to them.
Yes, so
Or
we'll
you
pause here. We'll pause here. So, how many of you feel that, you know, there is less time? There is less time in the day. Keep time ही नहीं मिल रहा है. I don't know what is happening, where my time is going. There's so much work. I've not been able to complete this. And there is so much pending work. And how many of you feel that? Yes, no, please write it on the chat. कितने लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि टाइम नहीं है? अरे yes, no, at least say yes or no.
Yes, yes, yes.
पहले
Feel
होता
many
था,
time.
पर
Yes.
अब मैनेज कर लेते हैं. पहले होता था, जब से ये स्टार्ट किया तब मैनेज हो जाता है.
Okay, lovely. So for those of you who said yes, there is a beautiful understanding of how 24 hours in a day. अगर मैं आपको बोलूं कि मैं आपको 26 hours देती हूँ एक दिन में, how would you feel? You know, actually we have जितना hours हमें ज़्यादा चाहिए उतना हमें मिल सकता है. How? So let's look at this example. So that I'm assuming that, you know, whatever time you're waking up, supposing you're waking up at 6 o'clock in the morning now, if you wake up at 4 o'clock, you get those extra 2 hours in the day. Okay. So everybody is with me? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes.
It's a really beautiful understanding of how you can increase your potential during the day. आप अपने number of hours को कितना productive बना सकते हो, जो भी आप hours हैं आपके पास. And actually you'll feel that you have so many more number of hours. So let's look at this figure. So supposing अगर हम ऐसा सोचें कि 24 hours है एक दिन में, तो एक साल में you know there are 12 months. अगर मैं आपको बोलूं कि मैं आपको 30 days extra दे सकती हूँ. So everybody is there? You want 30 days extra? Yes, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lovely. So if I'm waking up 2 hours early in a day, जितना मैं अब सो रही हूँ उतना मैं अगर कम 2 घंटे सोऊंगी, and believe me, 6 to 7 hours of sleep is completely okay for all of us. It's more than enough if you are having that good night's sleep, you know, you're having a peaceful sleep. And I'm assuming with the Magic Rock practice, all of us are having that peaceful sleep. So coming back to where we were, if I'm getting 2 hours in a day, so 2 hours in a month, how many hours I'm getting extra? 2 into 30 is 60 hours. In a year, there are 12 months. So 16 to 12 is how much? 720 hours. Now 720 divided by 24 is equal to 30. You can all do the maths. आप करके देख लीजिए. So you are actually getting 1 whole month extra if you are waking up 2 hours prior. And जो आप जल्दी उठ रहे हो, then you know that time of the day, the beginning of the day when most of the world is sleeping, that time you are getting those powerful vibrations. जो लोग आज सुबह जल्दी उठे या जो जल्दी उठ रहे हैं, उन्हें बिल्कुल पता है मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ. You know what you are getting. So now we know how to increase the number of hours in a day. And then you have got lots and lots of free time also. You can take care of everything. You can take care of your duties, your responsibilities, your mundane activities, जो daily activities है, जो office का work है, जो pending work है, everything will get over. Actually, I know, so including me, there were times when I actually used to feel, and I used to say that, I don't have time. Time ही नहीं मिल रहा है, क्या करूं? Whether I used to travel but then when I came to know about this understanding, and then I started functioning with this understanding, then actually मुझे बहुत बार ऐसा लगता है, when I see the clock, I feel that time has stopped. Has anybody felt this, that there are many days when you feel जैसे आपने देखा 2 बजे घड़ी को देखा, एंड उसकी थोड़ी देर बाद आपको लगा शायद 3 बज गई, पर आप घड़ी में जब देखते हो तो 2:20 ही होती है. Has anybody experienced that? Any part of their day? Yes, no?
Yes, many times.
आज सुबह ही हुआ. मैं पहले 2 बजे उठी, वैसे मेरी नींद बहुत अच्छी कंप्लीट हो गई थी, और वापस 3 बजे उठी, वापस 5 बजे उठी. ऐसे लग रहा था मतलब बहुत गहरी नींद में मैं सो गई थी और उठ गई हूँ.
हाँ, and even in the daytime कभी notice करिएगा, there are days when you feel time has stopped. मतलब अगर हमको लगता है 1 घंटा हो गया, पर घड़ी सिर्फ 20 मिनट, और लगता है ऐसे घड़ी बंद तो नहीं हो गई, you actually start asking yourself. That is what happens when you are in the space of gratitude. When you are in that happy mode, then time doesn't become, just time becomes like this. Time linear nahi hota hai, time in the now, it becomes vertical. Okay, so then all the things what you want to do, वो अपने आप खुद ब खुद होने लग जाता है. So all these things, so now what this chapter is telling us, so the previous chapter which we did, the magical day, was about our present activities, our day-to-day activities, planning the day on those activities. And now it's something that, we have been wanting since a long time. मतलब बहुत टाइम से पास्ट में भी और फ्यूचर के लिए हम जो चाहते हैं, अब हम उस पे वर्क करना शुरू करेंगे, बिकॉज नाउ वी आर इन द 3rd week. Yes, so now I feel those questions which you felt, you were asking, of course it's going to be clarified further, but ये आप समझना शुरू कर दीजिए कि वो जो चैप्टर था और आज का जो चैप्टर है उसमें क्या डिफरेंस है. Okay, please continue.
Or you could be in some kind of dispute with someone, and instead of getting it resolved, things seem to be getting worse. The magical to-do list practice will help you with any little day-to-day problems when you don't know what to do, or when you simply want something to be done for you. You will be amazed at the results. When you combine gratitude's magical power with the law of attraction, people, circumstances, and events must be arranged to do what you want done for you.
Must be rearranged.
Rearranged to do what you want done for you. You will not know how it will happen or how it will be done for you, and that is not your job. Your job is simply to be as grateful as you can be for what you want done right now, as though it were done, and then let the magic happen.
So yes, so now we are talking of our magical to-do list and how we are going to make it and what we are going to do. We are going to read further. But when you combine gratitude's magical power with the law of attraction, the law of attraction is when you combine with that, then people, circumstances and events must be rearranged. मतलब अगर आप कोई काम शिद्दत से करना चाहोगे ना, तो पूरी कायनात मिल जाती है उसे आपके पास लाने में. The whole universe will align to get what you want, what your desire is, and everything is rearranged. मतलब कि पूरी कायनात लग जाती है ना उसे आपके लिए manifest करने के लिए. And how does that happen? When we are using the law of attraction. And you will know how it will happen, or you will not know how will it happen or how it's going to be done for you. That's not your job. So never how, just allow. Never how, how will it happen? That how is not your domain. Just allow yourself to be. When you allow yourself to be, then things around you automatically get realigned, rearranged, and that thing comes to you, that desire comes to you, that goal comes to you, that dream comes to you. So just can we all do this for now, that And we have learned, actually, some of us have already learned, and whatever we've done in the previous chapters, we know how to use the law of attraction. Yes, no, everybody knows, and we are going to, whatever we have learned in this book. And when we watched the movie Secret, also we knew, we understood how to use the law of attraction. But now we'll do it in details in after we complete the reading of this book. So yes, please continue.
Today, create a written to-do list of the most important things you would like to be done or resolved for you, and title your list the magical to-do list. You might put things on your list that you don't have time to do or don't want to do, along with any current problems, from the smallest day-to-day things to bigger life situations. Think through any idea of your life
Think through any area of your life.
think through any area of your life where you need something resolved or done for you.
Yes, so now we getting the difference that along with any current problems or day-to-day activities we have already worked on. So along with any current problems, from the smallest day-to-day things to bigger life situations, whatever
Yes.
we have not been able to get, a bigger life situations, could be for the future, could be in the past, and think about any area of your life where you need something resolved or done for you. So now we are going to choose in a different way. Yes, and after choosing, then what happens? When you finish making your list, please continue.
When you finished making your list, choose 3 things from your list to focus on today. And one at a time, imagine that each item has been magically done for you. Imagine that all people, circumstances, and events have been moved to do for you, and it is now done. All done, all sorted out, all solved for you. And you are giving massive thanks in return for having it been done. Spend at least 1 minute on each of your 3 items, believing it is done and feeling enormous gratitude in return.
Yes, so now when you have finished making your list, अभी इसमें से 3 चीजें choose करनी है. आज के assignment के लिए you have to choose 3 things. Tomorrow you can, supposing list बहुत ज्यादा बड़ी बन गई है और आपको और भी वर्क करना है, तो वो आप कल कर सकते हो, पर आज सिर्फ 3 चीजों को चूज करना है. And you have to focus on that today. You have to shift your focus from any other thing what you're doing and just focus on that list, that thing today. So choose one and then at least spend 1 minute. मतलब आपको घड़ी नहीं देखना है, बट बी एज डिटेलिंग एज यू कैन. कितना डिटेलिंग में आप विजुलाइज कर सकते हो. Uma, so 1 minute. I think when we are talking, you can just mute yourself.
Sure.
Yeah, thank you. So then, spend 1 minute on each of the 3 items, believing it is done, and feel enormous gratitude in return. You asked for it, so you wrote it. It's empty. You emptied your headspace. आपने दिमाग से निकाल दिया है, आपने लिख दिया है, लिस्ट बना दी है. अब तीन चीजों को आपने चूज कर लिया है, and then now you're choosing that one thing. And उसमें एकदम concentrated प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो सिर्फ एक चीज के लिए, और उसको जितनी डिटेल में आप फील कर सकते हो कि वो चीज आपकी लाइफ में, वो इवेंट, वो डिजायर, वो गोल, वो दैट ड्रीम हैज कम इन योर लाइफ, एंड यू हैव टू एक्चुअली feel that you and believe it to be true. So you ask, you believe, and you receive. And what is the missing link? What is the link which is joining all of them? It's the link of gratitude. It's the thread of gratitude. It's that golden thread of gratitude. Okay, so yes. And how do you be grateful? कि आपको मिल गया है वो already. You've already got it. Yes, please continue.
You can you can follow the same practice on the rest of the items on your list at another time, but there is power in simply putting the things you want done on the magical to-do list. remember the law of attraction says like attracts like. That means that when you are grateful for the solutions as though you have them, you will attract everything you need into your life to resolve the situation. Focusing on problem attracts more problems. You have to be a magnet to the solution, not a magnet to the problem. Being grateful that you have the solution and that it has been resolved attracts the solution.
So let's remember the law of attraction. समान ही समान को आकर्षित करता है. Like attracts like. And that means that when you are grateful for the solutions, आप क्या कर रहे हो? आपकी vibrations वैसे ही हो गई है, आपकी frequency वैसे ही हो गई है, और आप वही चीजों को attract करोगे जो आप सोच रहे हो, जो आप feel कर रहे हो. Focusing on problems attract more solutions. अगर आप problems के बारे में सोच रहे हो, चिंता कर रहे हो, worry कर रहे हो, and you are उसको अंदर ही अंदर जाते जा रहे हो, then you will attract only more and more problems and situations. More and more problematic people will come in your life, more and more problematic situations will come in your life. तो अभी ये cycle को break कैसे करना है? How? Just that one thing, one simple thing. Be grateful for whatever you have. Be you have to be a magnet to the solution, not the magnet to the problem. So here I would like to tell you a beautiful story which I had read in one of the books. I don't remember where, but I read it and it really touched my heart. So this is a story about a tractor. So everybody, can you mute yourselves, please? So this is the story about a contractor who got a contract, और उसे उसको he had to go to from the city, he had to go to visit that place, which was a village, and he said that okay, I want to enjoy the country drive today, countryside today, and मुझे अपने आप ही गाड़ी चला के जाना है. So he decided to drive his own car, and while he was returning back, what happened was he was crossing a bridge, and then suddenly he realized that the speed of the car was becoming slow and one tire was completely flat. So now what does he do? So just imagine that contractor, his car in the middle of a bridge, and there's nobody around because that bridge is far away from the village and it's far away from his own city also. So now what does he do? Then, he just, obviously he'll just come out, he'll take his stepney, he will just unscrew what he started doing was unscrew the nuts so that he changes the tire. And when he goes, when he just takes out the tire and the nuts are there on the road, on the, where he was on the bridge, on the road. And when he goes, suddenly what happens is his foot steps on the nuts. And all the 4 nuts, they roll down into the water. And now he doesn't know what to do. So he's just thinking and he's feeling very helpless. What do I do? And instead of thinking, there's no solution coming to him, and he's getting more and more worried, more and more, चिंता हो रही है, worry हो रही है कि शाम होने को हो रही है ना, how will I reach home? So all these thoughts are coming in his mind. Suddenly he sees a farmer coming from nowhere. A farmer comes and he says, can I help you? बाबूजी क्या बात है, आप इतने बहुत चिंतित लग रहे हो, what has happened? So the man says, it's not, you won't be able to do anything, it's my problem, let me solve my problem. Then he just insisted, at least बाबूजी just tell me, the क्या हुआ है, I might be able to help you. So he explains everything. So this farmer and this man, they both are standing in the middle of the bridge. And then the farmer suddenly smiles and he says, so he's very calmly and coolly, after he hears the man out, he's just standing there, and not saying anything. Quietly, he was in his mind, he was just thinking in his mind. And then suddenly he says, okay, what I can suggest you is that आपके जो 3 टायर्स हैं, ऑलरेडी जो एक है वो आपने निकाल दिया है, जो फ्लैट हो गया था, उसको उनमें से आप एक नट को अगर निकाल दोगे और इसे इस टायर में लगा दोगे, तो यू विल हैव, सो वो टायर्स भी आपके चलेंगे और ये टायर भी आपका चलने के लिए, इट विल, द कार विल स्टार्ट मूविंग. And the man is so surprised. He just looks at him. are you a mechanic? Were you a mechanic at some point in your life? How did you, how did you come out with this thing? And he was really happy that, yes, this is the solution. I can really move my car. And he says, the farmer says, "Aap gaadi chala ke, at least you will reach यहाँ से कुछ किलोमीटर दूर एक मैकेनिक है, वो आपकी प्रॉब्लम को पूरी तरह से रिजॉल्व कर देगा, पर तब तक आप अपनी गाड़ी चला के उधर तो पहुंच ही पाओगे." And the farmer just says these profound statements. He says these lines, these words. When you told me, when you shared with me, I was just thinking on the solution. I was just thinking on the solution, and I attracted the solution. I knew that if a problem has come, there is a solution to it. So he actually sharpened his wits, he sharpened his knowledge, he sharpened his observation, he sharpened his the experiences what he had received from his life, and whatever he had gained, whatever was there in his mind, he sharpened his wits, and then he actually came with the solution, and this was really magical. So that is how we have to look into our lives. And when we are in the magical world, when we are experiencing our presence in the magical world, then actually problems are not there anymore. We just attract, we stop attracting problems. A time will come कि शायद problems जो अभी हो रही है उससे less problems होने लग जाएगी, और अगर problems आएंगी भी तो आप उन्हें solve करने का, you will have the solution to it, and you will become a magnet to the solution, because your perception has changed, your thought process has changed, and you're always in that grateful state. आप उस हमेशा उस कृतज्ञता की अवस्था में हो, and then you will actually have the solution. You'll become a magnet for every solution in your life. Yes, so now we read another example which Rhonda Bryan is sharing from her life. Please continue.
To demonstrate how powerful this magical practice is, I want to share a story with you about my daughter who used this practice to attract her lost wallet back to her.
Okay, just a minute. The story which we just shared, did it make sense to you? Did it contribute something in your life? Yes, no?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, lovely.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
there is always solution behind the problem.
Yes. So yes, let's continue reading this example. After being
out one night, my daughter discovered the next morning that she did not have her wallet, and she had no idea where she might have lost it, or even if it had been stolen. She called the restaurant where she went to dinner, the taxi company she used to come home, the local police station, and she searched the streets and knocked on the surrounding doors. But no one had found her wallet. Other than the fact that my daughter's wallet contained the usual precious things in it, including all her bank and credit cards, driver's license, and cash, her biggest concern was that her wallet contained no current contact information because she had been overseas for some time. She didn't have a publicly listed phone number, and with a common surname, there seemed to be no hope.
So yes, now this beautiful story, let's understand it very beautifully, because there are many, many riddles in this story, which we'll discover for ourselves. So first of all, when she lost her wallet, she discovered that next morning she must have wanted to find something, and she discovered that she had no idea where she might have lost it, or even it had been stolen. She had no idea, दूर दूर तक उसे नहीं समझ आ रहा था कि वो wallet गया कहाँ. So she just, when we lose something, we just try to go back in time, ना कि कहाँ गए थे, क्या possibility है. So she was doing that. That was the first impulse. First step यही होता है ना कि हम एक बार तो panic हो जाते हैं, and then we start searching and we start looking and we start thinking. So thinking process चालू हो जाती है. Then why she was, because उस wallet में obviously she had those precious things. We all keep our credit cards, we keep money, we keep our other driving license and maybe lots of cash. But her biggest concern was that a wallet contained no current correct contact information, because you know when we travel overseas ना तो अपने wallet को थोड़ा हल्का कर देते हैं ना कि जो भी you know जो भी अपनी आई कार्ड रहती है या you know whatever it is, we just take it out, and she must have offloaded those things from her wallet. So and so publicly listed phone number नहीं था, there was no hope कि अगर किसी को मिले भी तो वो उसे contact कर सकेगा. So you know that was the feeling she was getting. Yes, please continue, let's read further.
But despite the seeming, oh, 1 minute, huh? But despite the seemingly impossible obstacles, my daughter sat down, closed her eyes, and got a picture of her wallet in her mind. She visualized that she was holding her wallet in her hand. She opened her wallet, she went through all its contents, and she felt enormous gratitude that she had her wallet and everything in it back in her hands. For the rest of the day, whenever she thought of it again my daughter imagined that she had her wallet in her hand, and she felt enormous elation and gratitude that her wallet had been returned to her. Later that night, she received a call from a farmer who lived 100 miles away saying that he had found her wallet. The extraordinary part of this story is that the farmer had found the wallet in the street outside my daughter's home in the early hours of the morning, and he immediately searched the wallet looking for contact details. He made several calls in trying to find its owner, but to no avail, and so he gave up and drove back to his farm with the wallet. But while he was walking out in the field at his farm, the wallet kept nagging and nagging at him, and he decided to search through it one last time. He found a small piece of paper with a man's Christian name written on it, and so he put the Christian name together with my daughter's surname and called directory assistant. There was just
There was just one listing for
one listing for that Christian name and surname. The farmer called the phone number, and it was the home of my daughter's father. To this day, we do not know how the farmer got the phone number because it was an unlisted number.
So yes, let's understand what is the science behind it. So what was Rhonda Bynes' daughter doing? You know, she now shifted her focus from the worry, from that state where she was entering into that state of worry. What she did was she quietly sat down, closed her eyes, and used the power of visualization and manifestation. What did she do? She started imagining that the wallet is there with her, because you know she had the feeling of holding the wallet, and when it was there with her, so you know she opened the wallet, she knew what are the things inside. She just went into the details of the feeling, the emotions, you know what she felt when she was holding the wallet, and she was looking at the contents, and you know she was so grateful that the wallet has come back. She felt that the wallet is there with her. So she used the power of visualization and the power of manifestation, the law of attraction she used. And how powerfully she used, we can understand from these lines that the farmer tried all his best to find out the owner of the wallet. So, you know, after trying his best, he could have forgotten about it, right? कि अब मैं क्या करूँ, you know, मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा है. It's okay, now I can just keep it with me or do whatever. So that was his job, you know, what he would do with the wallet. But still, when he was walking in the fields, when he was working in the fields, when he was walking in the fields in his farm, the wallet kept nagging and nagging at him. This is the catch line. This is the riddle where we find the entire picture of what happened with Rhonda Bynes' daughter. Why the wallet was nagging and nagging at him? See, now let's understand the flow of energy, how it goes. So, energy was flowing from Rhonda Bynes' daughter to the wallet. The wallet is a non-living thing and she is a living thing. Energy world, we don't understand living or non-living. Everything is vibrating and at its own frequency. So her vibration, her I mean, her frequency was where it was going. It was going to the wallet, and the wallet was in the farmer's hands. It was with him. So the farmer was getting in touch with the frequency of Rhonda Byrne's daughter, with the frequency of the owner through the wallet. And so it kept nagging and nagging at him. Matlab, he was just, the wallet was attracting, the farmer was attracted towards the wallet every moment. Even when he was trying to be busy in his work, he couldn't focus, because बार बार वो wallet ही उसे खींच रहा था, you know, that energy flow was so powerful that it was, you know, just speaking, just, you know, do something, search. And then he thought that let me do one thing, one last attempt, let me give. And he started looking the contents of the wallet. वो देखना शुरू किया. उसे एक छोटा सा पेपर का टुकड़ा मिला जिसमें एक क्रिश्चियन नाम लिखा था. एंड हो सकता है, यू नो, समटाइम्स हम वॉलेट में अपना एनग्रेव्ड करा लेते हैं ना, सरनेम, या यू नो, हो सकता है कि Rhonda Byrne's daughter's surname was there on the wallet. So he just वो piece of paper में जो नाम था और जो surname को उसने अपनी intelligence से उसे जोड़ दिया, and he called for directory assistance. But remember, this energy flow was still flowing between the daughter and the wallet, because Rhonda Byrne's daughter, she didn't know, her daughter didn't know that the farmer is having the wallet. All she knew was her wallet and her heart. You know, it was just every moment, every breath, she was feeling that wallet and the contents in it, and you know, it's there with her. So that was the flow of energy. And we know na, energy flows where attention goes. जहां भी हमारी attention powerfully जाती है, वहां पे energy flow होनी शुरू हो जाती है. And that is how, you know, he called he got the number, and then he called the phone number, and it was the home of my daughter's father, means Rhonda Byrne's ex-husband. And so she must have kept, you know, the name of her father, because I mean, this used to, I mean, this had to happen. So she must have kept for any reason, you know, let's not go into that reason. But this helped the farmer to contact the daughter's father. And to this day, we do not know how the farmer got that number, because it was an unlisted number. So what happened? Actually, the universe aligned everything, and somehow someone gave the number, and even though it was an unlisted number, and it was a surprise for Rhonda Byrne and her daughter both, that how did he get the number? So it's for us to decode now that wo kaise mila. Was it a miracle? Yes, no. We have to answer for ourselves. वो जादू था? Yes, no. Just let's answer for ourselves. We called. Yeah. Let's continue reading.
We called directory assistant ourselves several times after this happened, and the response every time was, sorry, there is no listing for that name. From 100 miles away, through the most extraordinary sequence of seemingly impossible events, my daughter's wallet was returned to her intact. She fulfilled her part in being grateful that she had her wallet back, and as might happen, gratitude performed its magic and moved every person, circumstance, and event to return her wallet to her. The magical power of gratitude is available for you to use as well, and it always has been. You just have to discover it for yourself and learn how to use it.
So this is the power of gratitude. 100 miles away also, the most extraordinary sequence of seemingly impossible events took place, and my daughter's wallet was returned to her intact. She fulfilled her part in being grateful. So even though, you know, when she was visualizing, she was being grateful. That is the power of gratitude. It was not that she was in that state of worry and anxiety and, you know, she was visualizing. So we really need to see the feeling, you know, what feeling are we visualizing? When we are visualizing, हम सोच रहे कुछ और है, दिमाग में कुछ चिंता है पास्ट की, प्रेजेंट की, फ्यूचर की, और हम सोचे अगर ये नहीं मिला तो, you know, that fear is there, then you actually dilute your power of gratitude. जो आपकी visualization है वो उसकी power dilute हो जाती है. तो concentrated practice हम कैसे करते हैं? Before you start visualizing, you actually, you know, just check your feelings, evaluate where you are operating from. जो feeling chart में आप above the line हो, below the line हो, कहाँ पे हो आप? Are you in that state of irritability? Oh, how could I do this? You know, at that state of worry. Oh, what will happen? इतनी सारी चीजें थी. You know, that anything you can think, but just bring yourself into that space of happiness, that space of joy, that space of acceptance. Then you start functioning from that space. Then actually you will be able to manifest things, because that is the vibration of the universe. हमें अपनी vibration को पहले universe की vibration से align करना होता है. Then only we can manifest things in our life. So the magical power of gratitude is available for you to use as well. And this is the promise of the book. And it has always been. You just had to discover it for yourself and learn how to use it. Very, very beautiful lines. आपको discover करना है अपने आप के लिए. कोई और आपके लिए discover नहीं करेगा. It's always there. There is the appearance of things and there is a truth behind everything. वो appearance के पीछे क्या है, उस truth को हमें जाके touch करना है. And then when we touch that, we discover amazing things for us and we learn how to use it. Yes, so let's read. So is that clear, the difference between magical to-do list and the magical day? Is it clear? Yes, no?
Yes.
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 That was the plan for the day. This is our solution for what we want for whatever, for life or for some time.
Yeah, any situations in the past, future.
Any situation
And
for a longer period.
Yeah, and the way is completely different. In this, you choose 3 things. In that, you just say thank you before that thing has actually happened. And remember that line which we used to write, thank you for the great news coming to me today. Actually, what you did in that chapter, that has, you know, that has set the ball into motion for this chapter. Thank you for the great news coming to me today.
Yes.
You actually set a ball into motion into the future. And this is the book. This chapter is, you know, this week is all about future. You know, we are working on the future. उधर आपने बॉल रोल करना शुरू कर दिया और यहाँ पे आप उसे और यूज करोगे. So yes, now you understood the differences. Yes. So now we can read magic practice number 18 and we'll do a visualization after this. Yeah.
Magic practice number 18, the magical to-do list. Count your blessings, make a list of 10 blessings, write why you're grateful, reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Number 2, create a list of most important things or numbers you need done or solved.
Sorry, a written list of most important things or problems, not numbers.
You need done or solved.
Uma, read this line again. Create a written list.
Create a written list of the most important things or problems you need done or solved. Title your list the magical to-do list. 3. Choose 3 of the most important things from your list and one at a time, imagine that each thing has been done for you. Number 4, spend at least 1 minute on each thing.
Remember, it's written at least 1 minute. It could be more than that also.
Believing it is done and feeling enormous gratitude in return. Number 5, just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic word, thank you for the best thing that happened during the day.
Lovely. Thank you, Uma, for reading the chapter for us today. So before we do the visualization, it's a very, very powerful visualization that we'll be doing today. So I would request all of you not to leave. And if you want to leave, you can just leave before the visualization. So just in 1 minute's time, we'll start the visualization. So the magical to-do list is, we know how to count our blessings. The first one we all know. Now there are 3 parts to this today's assignment. First, you have to make a written list of the most important things or problems you need to be done or solved. वो list कितनी भी बड़ी हो सकती है, okay? And वो अपने head space से निकाल दी है, उस list को लिख दिया है जो आपके दिमाग में कब से चल रही थी, whether it could be from the past या future की कोई list हो या current, present में. Present में मतलब mostly I think so in this it will be something from the past or the future only, okay? But you see it for yourself. Then you choose 3 of the most important things from your list, one at a time, and imagine that each thing has been done for you. Now this is the most important step. इसमें आप जितना deeply, जितना अपने आप को उसमें डाल दोगे, जितना अपने थॉट्स को, अपने फीलिंग्स को, अपने इमोशंस को जितना डीपली आप फील कर सकोगे, उतना जल्दी यू विल बी एबल टू मैनिफेस्ट दैट थिंग. So then you it's the third step is कि spend at least 1 minute on each thing, at least, and believing it is done. So you've asked for it, you believe that it is done, and then you receive it. And when you receive it, you just be so grateful, you just thank. Then don't, sometimes it happens that when we receive, we are in such a happy space that we forget to express our gratitude. That time, just express your gratitude to the God or to the spirit or to the universe or to yourself. Just celebrate that moment. Very, very important to celebrate that moment. And just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, thank you for the best thing that happened during the day. Okay, so here I want to ask you all, who all are, able to recollect जो भी दिन भर में हुआ है जब आप magic rock को hold करते हैं, तो आपको effort लगाना पड़ रहा है अभी की automatically you're remembering all the things? Yes, no?
Automatically remembering.
No, for me it's a big effort.
Yeah, so yeah, so that's what I wanted to hear. For you it's a big effort. So now that means that is it that the other areas you're able to visualize better, or here you're not able to visualize, or you feel it, it's another thing? What is it? Did you check your feelings why it's a big effort for you?
No, it's there's no feeling. I think I'm just in that sleep zone and my mind is blank.
Your mind is light.
Yeah, yes, the mind is.
So right now, if I tell you to hold the magic rock in your hand and remember whatever you did yesterday, the best things that happened, will you be able to remember it? Just try it for yourself.
Yes.
Is it better when you are in this state, or is, so then that means that before you get, so you are using your maximum, your whole potential during the day, and you're getting tired. That's why you're not in that space to recollect or remember. So what you can do is that
maybe I should do it a little earlier.
You could do that. And also one thing which I can suggest is, do you bathe before going to sleep in the night?
No.
Can you start doing that?
Okay.
Just before you sit with the magic rock practice, just before you go to step on the bed, before you go to sleep, if you can just immediately bathe, because at times what happens is, for some of us, we are very sensitive and we carry all those energies through the day, what we have collected. And it's there with us. That's the reason we feel heavy and we don't know how to think. Okay, so you could try doing this also and see if there's any difference, Uma.
Okay.
Yeah, so good you brought this up, and lovely. So now we will do the visualization. So all of you, okay, have you written before the visualization? Just write down or bring into the surface of your mind 3 goals, 3 dreams from your desire list, your dream list. 3 which you really want to manifest right now. If I tell you ki out of those 10 dreams which you have written in your dream list, which one would you like to manifest if you can write that. And so just if you want, if you can write, you can, it will be better if you can write it. Lovely. Everyone has written? Yes, no, everybody has written?
Just writing, Vandana.
Okay. Just let me know on the chat if everybody has written.
I'm done.
The rest of you, लिख दिया है?
Done.
Shall we start? Yes, no? Lovely,
Yes.
lovely. So most of you have done it. Yes. Okay, all of you have done it. Lovely, lovely. So now once you are with the 3 dreams that you want to manifest, my voice is clear, audible, or you want it little louder?
Yes, clear.
Okay, all of you, can you please mute yourselves? Please mute yourselves. Hina ji, I can hear your voice. Okay. So now today's visualization, we are going to learn how to be the master of our own destiny. As humans, whatever we have created is the manifestation of our own mind. So the most important part of creating is to manifest first within the mindscape. अपने दिमाग में पहले उसे क्रिएट करना है, अपनी उस इच्छा शक्ति को जागृत करना है. What is powerfully established in the mind is bound to find manifestation in actuality. Because in our life, everything happens twice. Once when it actually happens, but before that, it first is created in the mind. So make yourself as comfortable as you can, sitting in a comfortable position, cross-legged, or if you're sitting on the chair, just let your legs be uncrossed. Palms in the thighs facing upward, eyes closed. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, relax into it. Take another deep breath in, and as you exhale longer, relax into it. The more longer you exhale, the more you will feel relaxed. And take another deep breath in, and feel the wave of relaxation through your body, through your skin, through your flesh, through your bones, through your muscles, through every cell of the body. Feel this wave of relaxation flowing. And now bring your awareness to your feet. Tense your feet. And then relax it. Loosen it. Tense your calf muscles above the ankles and below your knees, at the back of your leg. Just tense. Even though you're sitting, you can bring your mind, you can drop the awareness there, and you can tense means you tighten your calf muscles. Tense, 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 and then relax. Relax completely, completely, and smile. And tense your thigh muscles now. Tense, 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 and then relax. Tense your hip and stomach muscles, completely tensed, 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 and then relax. Tense the muscles in your chest and back. Tense, 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 and then hold the tension there. And now relax. Tense your arms. Make a fist with your arms. Tense, tense, tighten the fist, tighten it, and then relax. Tense your neck muscles. Only your neck muscles. Focus on your neck muscles, the sides, the back, the front, and just tense, 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 and then relax. Tense the muscles in your face, your forehead. Tense, 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 and then relax. And now as you relax, as you watch your breaths, feel this relaxation, feel the body lighter, happier. Feel every part of your body. Be aware of every part of your body as you feel lighter. Feel the relaxation spreading throughout your body, right from the top of the head to the tips of your toes. And now when you are feeling this lightness, see yourself climbing up a mountain peak. You are climbing a mountain and you can see the peak right in front of you, and you know that that is your destination. That is the goal. That is the dream. And then you climb. When you start climbing, you're feeling the cold air. You're feeling the smell of the cold air, that stench of the cold air. You feel that air touching your nostrils, touching your flesh, touching your bones, your muscles. You can feel it. And as you're feeling it, you are inhaling gratitude and you're exhaling gratitude. So inhale gratitude as you're climbing up the mountain and exhale gratitude. And now as you are aware of your breaths, feel your breaths becoming deeper in rapid gasps like this. Like this, you will be breathing in and out. Continue breathing in rapid gasps. And feel that you are inhaling gratitude and you're exhaling gratitude. Breathing in gasps, deeper breaths, and start feeling some warmth flowing in your body. Even though you are feeling the cool air as you are climbing up the mountain, trying to reach the peak, and you're breathing in gasps. Continue breathing. And now you have reached the top of the mountain. You've reached your destination. Your breath continues to be rapid and you are breathing in gasps. Just be there, standing upon the peak of a very tall mountain. See it clearly. See it clearly as you look from above. As you can see around you, you can see the smaller peaks, the valleys, the dwellings of those who could not climb up. And then slowly let your breath settle down. Breathe in deeply and breathe out deeply. Inhale deeply and exhale deeply. Take a deep breath and feel the smell of the cold mountain air. And feel the special feeling of being there upon the peak. Just be. Enjoy every breath. And now, bring your focus to the center of your forehead. That spot in the center of the forehead, the eyebrow center. Feel that spot and feel a bright blue-white light flowing from there. It spreads few centimeters around the center of your forehead. And now it spreads 1 meter away. And it spreads 1,000 meters away. And it spreads and spreads as it is growing every breath that you are taking. It is growing and becoming one with the light of the universe. It is one with the divine consciousness. And now bring that one desire, that one dream in front of you. In this space of manifestation, feel that you have received it. Whatever you are thinking right now, that first dream from your list, you have received it. You are living in it. You are fully immersed in it. It is felt in every cell of your body. Every molecule, every atom of your body is experiencing and feeling that happiness. Be as grateful as you can. Just be. All you have to do is be present in that moment. Only that dream and you and nothing else. That first dream that you have chosen. And yay, you have got it. Wow, you're feeling on top of the world. Imagine, visualize every detail. Be in that experience. And now it's time to bring in the second dream of your list. From your list, just you and that dream. No other person, no other thought in between. Every thought that is coming is just about your dream and you. Feel it as real as you can. Think about it, feel it in every cell of your body. Feel it, experience it, live it. Yay, you've got it. Awesome. Awesome, I did it. I did it. Just feel that happiness, feel that joy radiating from every cell of your being. Smile. And now bring in that third dream of yours. Stay, stay, feel it, live in it. And yay, you have achieved this dream too. You have fulfilled your dream. मिल गया है आप जो चाहते थे. And every cell of your body is celebrating, jumping. Feel every cell of the body jumping with happiness, with joy. And then feel the vibrations, feel the happiness, feel the contentment, feel the peace flowing in your body right now. And whenever you feel like, just focus on your normal breaths. Just focus on your normal breaths and that feeling of happiness, joy, gratitude flowing in every part of your being. How does it feel? Whenever you want, slowly open your eyes. So yes, anybody wants to share anything? How was the experience? How did it feel? How was it?
Very good. But I think I must have gone to sleep. I couldn't hear. I had to come back and listen to you.
That's okay. Even when we are sleeping, our subconscious mind is awake. And actually, we were working on our subconscious mind. That's fine. But how are you feeling now?
Very peaceful.
Lovely, lovely. And you feel that your dreams you have achieved, it's come true?
I don't know. I didn't think of my dreams. I don't know. You said I could hear you say that, but my dreams are not coming. Sometimes they came, yeah.
Chalo, let's see what happens. Lovely, Uma. Lovely. Thank you for sharing. Yes. Anybody else? Okay, super duper amazing. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Lovely, lovely. Thank you so much for being here for this Very, very powerful visualization. So now, anybody has anything to ask, any doubts, any sharings before we end today's session? So lovely, lovely. So then we all are ready to end our today's session and say goodbye. So thank you for being there in today's session. Thank you so much, and have a magical.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.